Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt.
What's up, Hank?
I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you.
Yes, it is good to be here. Nice and hot.
Congratulations on 16 million views. I saw you posted on Facebook or something the other day.
I know.
There's
Thanks,
16 million people that suffer through your videos.
No, it's not 60 million people. 60 million views.
Oh.
It's like 16 guys looking at
guys just watching a million times over and over and over again?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Interesting.
We are approaching 400,000 subscribers right now.
So there are 400,000 people that actually like your videos?
They are. Crazy enough. Something about the personality, the magnetism, and the savoir-faire.
Something about something. There's something about
everyone
Larry.
going.
What's that? There's something about Hank.
So listen, we did recently a video talking about new features that are coming out on chassis that Coachmen's putting out.
Yes.
You might have seen some of this on other products that are out there in the world, but so far as I know, this is like the first time for Coachmen that we're getting push to start.
Yes. This just came off the truck about an hour or so ago, and Hank happened to be coming by and said, Hank, we got to do the video on the newest one that is here. So it is a little dirty, so please forgive.
Is everyone calling you to make sure that their Coachmen Beyond is going to have push to start? Is that happening yet?
No,
it will be after this.
It will be.
You're welcome.
But you know, this is the thing. The RV you're buying is 50% of the build. The other 50% really is the chassis.
Yeah.
And so chassis are important. We get a lot more questions about the RV portion of it and a lot less about the chassis aspect of it. A lot more people come in looking at, you know, and I always tell people they need to decide what chassis they want. And then once they kind of narrow that down, what's comfortable, what they fit in, they're like all-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, Ford, Ram, Mercedes, you know, all that, then figure out who's going to build it. But we field a lot more questions and spend a lot more time dealing with the RV portion and a lot less on the chassis, which is interesting.
It is interesting. And I think we just had a conversation that really and truly these chassis technology-wise aren't changing that much.
They're not. No, because they're pretty much caught up with everything.
We're peak chassis right now.
Except Tesla.
Yeah.
So they're caught up with everything except self-driving and all that.
Yeah.
Like my wife's SUV, if I press a button, it will drive on the interstate.
Right.
And that's it.
In a straight line.
In a straight line. Once it gets in construction, it stops. Like if I want to get off the interstate, it won't do any of that. It'll just drive.
And even that,
your Tesla will actually drive.
It'll drive, sir.
So I think that's
from my house to where I'm going, park itself, then it will leave there.
It'll buy you lunch and bring it back and feed you too.
No, but it could tell me addresses and call up people. And,
interesting.
Yeah, that kind of stuff.
But
we're not there with vans.
We are not there with vans. I think that is going to be next with vans.
That'll be the big leap. The big leap.
Yeah.
But so like on this, I know that you've seen the HIDs, but now Coachmen's getting steady flow of HIDs.
So there's a whole
digital rear view.
So we're going to go through in the list.
Yeah.
On this video, this is the first one to come to a lot. I know you talked some about it at the factory, but like this to me looks like a retro Ford.
I don't really like that. Someone should
blue.
change that.
I don't hate it. You know what I
get out or
I like when they say Ford real big, like the Raptor style.
Yeah.
That's cool to me.
Me too. I like that.
When they say Ford, what do they call it? They call it the Raptor grill, right?
Yeah, the Raptor grill. You're right.
I would love Coachmen to put the Raptor grill on these.
Yeah.
And that'd be awesome.
And I think because we're going to see chrome around here, but it's kind of confusing because we're going to see chrome and then black chrome and then that.
I like the big Raptor style better.
Yeah.
But I don't mind it.
Did someone custom order this or special order? Okay, so this belongs to a dude.
So another funny story about this one. We were all excited to go to the Ocala RV show where we did the big Coachmen camp out. We had 120 vans camping together. It was pretty awesome.
Yeah, it was.
So we were there with the brand new RBBC, which is the rear bath model with the big fridge, awesome floor plan. And I was like, you know what? And I made a bet with someone. The first order we take is going to be on
That's what you thought.
RBBC. Yes, I was 100% sure that was the first Coachmen order we were going to take. Somebody was going to walk up and say, I want that. You know what the first order we took was? A regular RB.
Which is awesome.
Just like the one you bought 5 years ago. A regular RB.
I love it.
And I asked the guy, I said, oh, you mean the one with the big fridge? He's like,
no, dude.
No, just the one with the small fridge and the openness and like the wide open feel. I'm
the view.
Oh,
that's what we'll go for.
So anyways, this is his RV. I don't remember his name, but this is his RV. So what's cool is this has like a smoky look to it. Like if you look at, for instance, this is a 23 model here.
Yeah.
So you can see they're much brighter headlights, where these headlights have like, there are xenons, but they do have like a smoky
I like
look
this
to
look.
it,
Yeah, that's good.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then as we're kind of walking, Are these mirrors bigger, like shape? I think they're shaped.
So they've been doing these bigger mirrors, but the one thing you will get, these are manual. There's no button in there. So if you get the smaller mirrors, they power fold. But these bigger ones that give you more of a view on the sides, they don't do that. But they have all the other stuff in it. So
I also love this color. This is that carbonized gray color.
Yeah, very nice.
This is a new keypad also.
Yep.
So this keypad kind of helps you leave your key in the RV while you're hiking or riding your bike or swimming or eating, whatever, and then you just come in and press this and it unlocks the door.
You can always get in,
which is really cool.
Very nice.
They just started putting Starlink on these as well. That's a brand new option to have it to where you can plug your Starlink in and set
Put it
your
on the
antenna
ground
up anywhere, which is pretty nice. Smart plug.
The Coachmen badging here is still chrome, which is interesting.
Transit has changed. To
Ford changed this.
I think what would be cool is if Coachmen offered a blackout package of their logos.
Yeah, and there is
this.
Yeah, there is like dip your car or whatever that you can get if someone really wanted this covered up. Also, a little quick thing, these lights here have changed too. I don't know if there's extra sensors or whatever in there, but those lights have changed. And then you obviously have your that classic thing back there.
The camera looks a little different. It doesn't look like the other ones do. It's more circular than squares. I'm sure they update a lot of that as well.
Yeah, this guy ordered the roof rack, I see.
Yes, you did.
That's cool.
We'll kind of show off the inside. Me and Hank were game planning, which we don't normally do. Normally we fly off the seat of our pants. We're game planning at one of our next videos. We're going to do a video featuring all the different bathrooms in Class B RVs.
Yeah.
So the rear bath is going to be one of them.
Yeah. Right now, comment if you want to know about all the bathrooms, because Nick thinks no one wants to know.
I think bathrooms are a big deal, but I don't know if you want to see 12 bathrooms in one video, do they?
I checked it on the Grok GPT.
Okay.
Grok.
Is that how you make all your life decisions these days?
No, not
Did you
really.
say, what do I wear today? And then you took a picture of your closet and Grok matched.
It's pretty easy what I wear.
And your Hawaiian shirt and your.
I was feeling Miami Vice today. Did you notice that?
You know,
not even my watch is white.
I love your watch.
Check out the watch of the sneakers
match. Kicks. I was trying to make dinner the other day, and I pulled out some stuff from the fridge that I had, and I put it all in Chat GPT, and it told me what to make.
Oh, really?
It was really good.
Oh, there you go.
Kids loved it.
Yeah, so but it does. The AI intelligence tells us people want to know about bathrooms, so let us know, and we're gonna do like a complete bathroom video and break it down for you.
Do you have to use the bathrooms in the video?
No, dude. Sure. That amount of knowing you, I don't want to know.
This is the rear bath. Really nice big bathroom.
Yeah.
You got your sink, you got your fold down, you do have, and it's cool, they're going to the black fixtures in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Even if you don't have the ginseng and black fixtures out there, they're doing all the black fixtures in the bathroom, which is nice.
That's really nice. And this has like the maple wood and still the black fixtures on there, which is cool.
Does yours have this handle?
No.
Well, that was pretty neat.
Yeah, that's cool.
I've seeing that.
I don't know when that came in, but yeah, this is great. I love a rear bath. It doesn't need to have the big fridge for me, but people do like the big fridge.
I can tell you, that's growing on me.
You like that?
Yeah.
I would just like to see that blacked out. No? Okay. There's not a lot of things. Truma is now doing this little scoop here. That's because this is intake, outtake. There's not a lot of stuff. This is a Beyond Li.
Yep. Lithium 600.
Yeah. So we're going to go in.
Let's go in. And let's talk through some of the
Yeah.
So jump in the driver's seat and I'll sit in the passenger seat.
Yeah, let's go in here. See, here's the smaller fridge. Let us know you prefer the bigger fridge. The rear baths, everything coming from Coachmen now has a square sink. And by the way, there is no more propane coming off the factory floor.
Wow.
Someone asked me that in that video that you and I did with all the
even
Beyond.
on generator models, there's no propane.
No, the generators run off of gas at Coachmen. So here's the big deal. Which may not be a big deal.
Lots of changes there. So we got push button start.
So this screen has been here for a while now, bigger screen, and it has a black surround, which I think some vans out there have that.
Let's see about brightening this bad boy up some.
Turn it up, tune it up. Oh, it looks like it only goes up to 0.
It only goes up to 0. So there's Wi-Fi. I don't know if that's new or not.
So all of these now should have digital rear view. They should have the bigger screen, but the push to start and then digital dash is what you got going on here. So if you hit OK, now it's all analog gauges here before.
No, I like that a lot. I like how, and then on some of these you can change it around. What your display is, what you see. Can you put a map on there?
Yeah.
You can put the speed. You can put your tire pressure.
Yeah.
I mean,
so on this, you should be able to do all of that. Yeah, there you go.
You can change view, trip, status. Let's go to status.
So over here now they've put everything for the
so you go to engine information.
Yeah.
So you can see 9 hours, 5 hours idling, pitch and roll. You know, how many
some good information.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
There's your gas, tells you your gas tank, where your gas tank is at.
So then you can go through other options, towing, maintenance. So here you can see, you know, tire pressure, which is really nice. So you'll have all your tire. And I like how it does all 6 tires. How cool is that?
Yeah, that's nice.
You know, something cool. You see this thing has 75 miles on it. So we flatbed all of our RVs here. So nothing's driven. 99% of RV dealerships
Very nice.
drive their RVs to the dealership, and then they sell them to a customer with 1,200, 1,500
Putting some extra miles, yeah.
And so we don't do that. So we flatbed every RV.
If you see some extra miles on your van, it's because Hank Strange put it on there.
So navigation. So navigation is here. So,
Right.
you know, you can look at, well, there's no home because no one owns this. But it's cool. You can
You can control everything here from the steering wheel, which is nice. Nice steering wheel.
Satellite radio can be controlled here too.
Yeah, there you go. Let's not turn that volume down. Don't want to get in no trouble. Oh, by the way, easily, we should be able to go see the cameras on here. You know, very cool. I think this is cool. It's not a super big deal. That's why we said this will be a quick video, but it is a big deal.
Hank, what do you do with this thing?
You know those little gas containers? If you've got to pour fuel in there, you need this to get past the gas cap, because the gas cap, it's the capless gas cap, see?
Oh,
so if you want to get if you want to get past that, that's what you need it.
I love that.
You're welcome.
I thought this was a bathroom funnel.
This has been your walkthrough. Corey knows what this is. You think that's like a Shiwi or something like that, probably.
50% of the RV truly is the chassis. And so there's a lot into it because, I mean, when you're driving, you're sitting here doing this.
And I noticed they did change this to a USB-C here.
Oh, yeah, but there's USB here.
USB there.
And cigarette lighter there. What is this? Oh, look at that. Is that on yours?
You know what? That's a good question. I don't know if I have this or not. I probably have it and forgot I even have it. I don't know. I'll check that.
Interesting.
Let me know if you've seen this or not in there. And people always ask about like knee room. So I'm all the way back right now. And there is some knee room here. I've seen people complain about this here, but you know, this is me sitting in this, the rear bath. We got plenty. Look at that.
Is this your POV?
Yeah. See, plenty of leg room.
Hold it and let's put it in reverse and see.
Okay. And we've got our door
select
open.
This. Let's see if cameras show up on there.
No, show up there.
So camera shows up there. Let's see. So I guess it's telling you seatbelts aren't on, which is good.
Yeah.
Engine hours.
I see the digital compass in there, so we're pointing east.
Okay. And then Bluetooth. Okay, I don't know. Sometimes you.
You'll see that your reverse there, but you got this big screen and you got that.
That's true.
You know, what more can you ask
How many
for?
cameras do you really need?
Oh, this I like. Yes.
Garmin. So Garmin's pretty awesome, obviously. And then, you know, Truma air conditioner, you have your new Bluetooth speaker, you got your new getaway, you got the wide openness of a rear back, which is really
You
nice.
have another Garmin up
Smart
there.
TV, you know, you can have Starlink in here. So lots of very comfortable seat belts are on here. This can be one big bed, it can be 2 twin beds.
Yeah.
You know, we'll do a quick demonstration so people can see kind of what, I mean, I'm 6 foot tall and I'm sleeping very comfortably here. I love how there's a lagoon mount here. They also give you one. I saw, is it right there?
There's one right here.
Yeah, one right there. So you can use the other table that's up there. You can work from here. I mean, you do your podcast out of this, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
So, I mean, there's a lot of dual usage that comes with these. And if you need privacy, obviously.
If you need privacy from the bathroom, which I do close that if I'm just chilling. I don't want to see the bathroom. I just want to chill. This is what I do. I just pull these down. In my van, they go up, but you pull these down. See that? And then you look at the view. Open that one. One of your guys outside.
We don't have a
nice view
actually here.
But yeah, that's what I do. So there you go. You're starting to get them in.
We are with all the new upgrades, all new chassis. We have a couple here without them, and we got some with them. So they are coming in, and this is the brand new. I mean, we're still in 2026 right now, so this is what's rolling offline. But we will deliver this for free anywhere in the country, flatbed it right to your house, or fly you here and give you the best RV buying experience ever.
You can't ask for better.
You cannot.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.